trying to drive my dad's, what's it called?
Terra-gator.
Irrigator. Terra-gator.
Terra-gator. Alright. You're coming up towards the end here.
Okay, so now 3, 2. Wait, I can make up for that spot I
No, don't worry about that spot. Alright, slow down.
Okay, so.
We'll stick back.
Okay.
A little bit. There you go. Keep going. It takes a lot of turns.
Ah, perfect. Now I gotta.
Alright, throttle. Ta-da! Good job. Alright, how fast you going? Only 13? You go faster than that, don't you?
How do you know what speed I'm going at?
It says it right there on the screen.
Oh, 17. Ah, there we go. I don't want it to start not auto-driving.
What?
If you get,
Oh, yeah, don't go too fast, yeah.
yeah, you said if you get to 25, it stops auto-driving.
Yep, that's right.
Hey, question, what's this for?
The hammer?
Yeah.
And so if you tip it over on the door, you can't open the door, you can break the window out and get out. Alright, pay attention to what you're doing.
Okay.
Throttle down.
Go back to 100.
And a little ways to go still.
Student for safety. Because I don't want to mess up.
Alright. Throttle down a little more. Alright, now turn.
Okay, that's perfect.
You're over the line a little bit, so there you go. Now straighten it out. Straighten it out quick. Straighten it out quick. Oh, you're gonna cross the line. Oh my god, you crossed the line. Keep now, you gotta get back over there. What are you doing?
I'm trying.
I know, you're not steering fast enough.
Okay, I'm bad with terror.
Alright, now steer the other way. You're gonna turn this completely around. Hard, turn hard, turn hard, turn hard. Now you're gonna have to turn hard back the other way again. In a second. Jesus Christ, turn hard, quick, back. Keep going. You almost. Jesus Christ. Now straighten it out, What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god, get with the damn steering wheel. What the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ, Allison.
I'm
Alright.
bad at driving.
It's not that hard of a deal. You gotta remember that thing turns a lot to make it do anything. Alright, let's go. Dial it up, let's go. We got stuff to do today. We got one more pass and we gotta go fill the buggy. So
Oh, yeah.
you do better on this next turn, right?
Wait, what if you steer and I control these?
Well, that's not gonna be any good. You gotta do the whole thing. Steering's the most important part. 'Cause if you can't steer, you can't drive.
I can steer with an actual car, but not this.
What do you mean? This is a natural car. This thing's great. This is like my favorite toy.
What?
Alright, so let's throttle the throttle back now first. All the way down. Down. Alright, there you go. Now you downshift your transmission a little bit. Keep going straight still. Alright, now you can start turning in right about now.
Which way?
That way. We're going this way still. Yep, keep going. Crank it quick. Then you crank it quick, and then you start straightening it out as soon as it gets around the circle. A little more. You gotta let. No, not even close. How are you going?
Wait, what the?
You gotta go like this.
I was cranking it the right way, but somehow just.
You were not cranking it the right way. Now listen. See how this is turning this way? When I get to this certain point over here, like the next line's gonna show up right there. Now we're heading right towards it. I mean, you gotta turn away from it again to get straight. And then again. And then next thing you know, you're on the money. You hit the thing, you go. Hammer down. This your first day?
Yes. I've never rode this thing before.
Sure you have. You steered it when you were a little kid. Little bitty.
No way.
Yeah.
I bet that's all I did.
Yeah, that's pretty much all you did.
Different for me. Didn't have to, what's it called?
We weren't actually doing anything. We were just driving around in circles. Makes a difference. Alright, you watching your screen? Alright, slow it down. Throttle first.
I'm choking on a burger.
It's a little late to be doing that. Alright, come on. Turn. Turn sharp. Hard. Stop. Okay, now, wait a second. Now, hard back the other way. Keep going. Oh, you had it. Oh, right there. Let go of it. Now hit the button quick. You got it. No, you hit it twice. Don't hit it twice. Oh shit, we did it again. I'm clearing the fuck over here. Hit it again. Alright, let's go. Alright, well, it's going to take a little more practice. Because you're going to get it. You steered it better that time. You just hit the button twice, it screwed you over. That happens to me too. What are you rubbing your eyes for? You can't see? Look how fast you're going. Look how fast you're going. You're going to steer it. Because all of a sudden it's going to let go and you're going to have to steer it.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, and the one that does that, it has a tendency to just go, woo. Alright, yeah, we're about empty too, so we better go up there and get some stuff.
Over there?
Yep. Guys, how many more trucks do they got out here? Fucking don't even make any sense.
They're probably speeding more.
Alright, well, say goodbye.
Goodbye.